Ever spend an entire weekend studying only to get the same grade as your friend who crammed the night before? Yeah, that gut punch feeling when you realize you just wasted days of your life for average results. But here's the truth. You're not the problem. Your study method is. I discovered a way to study that's so effective, it almost feels like cheating. And today, I'm sharing the exact system that lets you spend 80% less time studying while actually improving your grades. Let's break down the 8 game-changing techniques that will transform your study game. Number 1. The sugar trap. Think those candy bars are helping you power through study sessions? Science says otherwise. UCLA research proves excess sugar actually slows your brain down and destroys your focus. The real brain fuel? Swap those sweets for nuts and berries. Your memory and concentration will thank you. Number 2. The mindset shift. Here's a crazy fact. Harvard researchers found that simply believing physical work is exercise led to actual health improvements. Your brain works the same way. Instead of thinking, this will take forever, try, I'll crush this in 30 minutes. Your brain will literally reshape itself to match your expectations. Number 3. The timer technique. Ever heard of Parkinson's law? Work expands to fill the time you give it. Set a 30-minute timer and watch your brain kick into high gear. It's like giving yourself a deadline that triggers laser focus. No more endless study sessions that drain your soul. Number 4. The 80-20 rule. Here's the secret they don't teach you. 20% of the content covers 80% of the exam. Stop wasting time on everything. Focus on what your professor emphasizes, past exam patterns, and chapter summaries. Work smarter, not harder. Number 5. The answer first method. Want to cut your study time in half? Start with the end. Review chapter questions and answers first. This gives you a roadmap of what's actually important, saving you from getting lost in textbook details that won't even be on the test. Number 6. The weakness strategy. Reviewing what you already know feels good, but it's wasting your time. Target your weak spots head-on. Use horizontal learning. Connect related topics to build a deeper understanding. This is how you turn B's into A's. Number 7. The AI advantage. Tools like ChatGPT aren't just for writing essays. Use them to create quick summaries, practice tests, and study guides. It's like having a 24/7 tutor that cuts your prep time in half. Number 8. The error journal. Keep a running list of your mistakes. It sounds simple, but this one habit can boost your grades by a full letter. Review it before exams to avoid repeating the same errors. Your future self will thank you. Stop studying like it's 1999. These techniques aren't just theory. They're battle-tested strategies that work for real students. Want proof? Try them for your next test and watch your grades soar while your study time plummets. Hit subscribe if you're ready to transform your academic game, and drop a comment with your own study hacks. Let's build an unstoppable community of smart learners. Remember, studying harder isn't the answer. Studying smarter is.